My name is Scudder. Welcome to NobleCamps. You have proof of concept, proof of value everywhere you turn here. We have boot camps all over the world. I think the participants who attend these are people who are ready for a challenge. They fly in with problems and fly out with solutions. So when you're here, you're going to be actually walking in, experiencing firsthand Palantir, Microsoft, Cisco, Google. You can walk into any given company, talk to any of the experts working on the topic that you're interested in, and you're going to get stuff that's just hot off the press, things that are not yet even public.
You can never find an expert online who can answer you on the spot, especially if you have concerns, if you have follow-up questions or ideas that generated out of what they have listed.
So the real change that happens in these programs is you take the exact problem that the particular participant is not able to crack, understand right up to the last millimeter how far they're able to go on their own, and then pair them up with someone who's an expert in the field who can walk with them, go that extra distance, show them how they've cracked the problem, and then send them back to their everyday work environment with that new know-how.
It's an experience of a lifetime, because you're gaining information and experience from the best in the business and in the world.
So what I would say to a leader who's on the fence, it's as any other business decision, looking at the ROI. If you don't yet recognize the need, we're not here to persuade you to do any type of training. But once you've recognized the need, then you're in the right area with us to develop those skills, go back and get that impact on the bottom line. When you're ready to future-proof your organization, come to NobleCamps.